Including puppies in your marketing can be a powerful strategy for various reasons. Here's why your marketing should consider incorporating these adorable fur babies. Universal appeal: puppies are universally loved and adored. Their innocent faces and playful antics can captivate audiences of all ages, backgrounds, and cultures. Evokes emotion: puppies can evoke strong positive emotions such as happiness, nostalgia, and warmth. Emotional marketing can lead to stronger brand connections and loyalty. High engagement: content that features puppies often receives higher engagement in terms of likes, shares, and comments. This can boost the visibility of your brand on platforms like social media. Relatability: many people have had a pet or have experiences with puppies, making the content relatable. This can create a personal connection between your brand and your audience. Versatility: puppies can be integrated into a wide range of marketing campaigns, from print ads to TV commercials to social media posts. They can be used in a serious context or for comedic relief. Boosts brand image: associating your brand with puppies can give it a friendly, caring, and approachable image. This can be especially helpful if you're looking to counteract a more corporate or impersonal image. Supports causes: if your brand is involved in charitable activities, especially those related to animal welfare, featuring puppies can highlight your commitment and attract support from like-minded customers. Memorability: puppy-centric ads or campaigns tend to be more memorable. When people recall a cute puppy from an ad, they're likely to associate it with your brand, increasing brand recall. Influencer and celebrity engagement: collaborating with pet influencers or celebrities with their pets can widen your reach. Many influencers and celebrities have pets with substantial followings of their own. Virality potential: puppy videos and images have a high potential to go viral, especially if they're unique, funny, or heartwarming. A viral campaign can exponentially increase your brand's reach without additional advertising costs. Visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com to learn more about digital marketing.